Welcome, welcome. Welcome everyone to our live stream. It is 6:47 a.m. Just getting everything lined up with our new software. So super excited to have each and every one of you guys. Thank you for joining us to another live stream. Got everything lined up and finally working through. For those that are new, guys, welcome. I do trading and I do live streams every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. So welcome to the channel, guys. Alright, guys, we're going to begin shortly. Just going to be waiting for a couple more people to join us. Not only that, I'm just going to make sure that I've got my description and everything's up to date. So just bear with me. Give me a few minutes. I'll get everything all set up. In the meantime, welcome, guys. Make yourselves at home. And if you're new, welcome to the family. Welcome, welcome. Good morning, guys. Today's yet another amazing Monday morning. We've got another amazing week ahead of us. I love matcha tea. It's refreshing. I don't know about you guys, but if you have your coffee or tea or something that you have every morning, it's always refreshing to have. You know, that drink that refreshes you, you know, makes you feel good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I don't know about you guys, but I think I'm getting pumped. I'm ready. I'm getting pumped. Alright, just gonna get my other monitor all set up, guys. Welcome to the channel. It's time to kill it this morning, Monday morning. Gotta get that mindset straight. Let's go, let's go. Okay, so we're just gonna start shortly. We're just waiting for a couple more people to join us. Got a couple more trades that went in our favor. A couple trades we're looking at, so as we got gold rejecting our level of resistance. This is what we wanted. This is what I expected. See that price is touching here. Price came up. We're not even, it's 6:52 right now a.m. And we're touching already this level of resistance. I'm expecting gold to reject this area for potential sells. Let's go, let's go. This is just gold. We've got lots more trades to look at. But yeah, guys, so welcome. Give me a few minutes. We're just gonna wait for a couple more people to join us, and I'm just updating the video description. In the meantime, make yourselves comfortable. Welcome everyone, welcome. As we get more and more people join us, let's get started with another day. Monday morning. What's your why? What's your motivation, guys? Comment it below. Don't be shy, feel free to talk in the chat, guys. I'm here to help. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday. Let's go. Alright guys, we're about to start. Thanks so much for joining us, guys. Harpreet. Hey bro, good morning. Good morning, brother. Welcome. Let's get this bread. That matcha tea, man. That's good for the soul. It's refreshing. It's invigorating. Alright guys, just gonna start shortly, just finishing up here all the details here in the background, back end, just making sure everything looks good. Let's go. We've got gold trade overview. Alright guys, so we're just gonna begin. Alright guys, everyone, welcome. For those of you that are just joining us, guys, welcome to the channel. Let's begin. Netta, welcome to the channel, welcome to the family. Just give everyone a warm welcome to Netta, who just joined the family. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified, guys, every single time I'm going on live. And let's begin this live stream for today. Alright guys, welcome, good morning, happy to have each and every one of you guys. So yeah, like I was mentioning yesterday, we were looking for gold to pull back after that nice push to the downside. We got gold to push down, broke previous level of support, and this is the 1 hour, so it is quite significant. So we got our first rejection here. Mind you, price could continue to go higher and break this level of resistance. Remember what we look at resistance as a ceiling level, right? So we do have to keep an eye out on that, and we're gonna take a look at it in the meantime. But yeah, so I'll keep you guys in the loop. Ice Reaper, what you think about shorting gold now? Potentially, yeah. Like, I mean, that's the idea. Let's kind of narrow it down to the 30, potentially 15 minute. Yeah, I mean, technically you could if you wanted to right now. I would just wait for like a couple more wick rejections, even on the 15 minute, just to get a proper entry. And then yeah, so I'd give it like probably like New York Open, so about an hour, and then let's just wait for a couple more wick rejections, and then once we see like 3-4 candle rejections on the 15 minute, then we can get in on a sell, and then yeah, go from there. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for gold, guys. Welcome, guys, welcome. Let's go, let's go. USD JPY went in our favor as predicted, exactly as predicted, guys. So as you guys can see, price pushed higher and it's just exhausting as expected. I'm probably expecting USD JPY to pull back probably to like this level over here, to be honest. This level over here, that's kind of what I'm expecting. But price could still be so bullish that it may just continue going higher. But I think price needs to exhaust a little bit, and it needs to come and retest these lows over here before continuing higher. Welcome, guys, we've got a couple more people joining us. Welcome, welcome. If you're new, welcome to the family. Super excited to have each and every one of you guys here. We're here every single day, 6:30 a.m. Welcome to La Familia. Yes, I'm Spanish. Awesome, guys, feel free to comment below in the chat box as more and more people are joining us. Saksham says, hi bro, how are you? Good, brother, good. Happy to have you here on our live stream. Welcome, welcome. Make yourself at home. We're here every day, so I'm doing well, I'm doing well. I'm excited for another trading week. I'm excited to gain some pips, so. Alright guys, so let's take a look at GJ. GJ, let's see what's going on with GJ. GJ has been, I'm a little upset with GJ. GJ's ranging a little too much. It's all good though. GJ, guys, is the type of trade or a great example of a trade that I don't want to be trading in. And the reason being is because the pair is ranging right now too much, right? So we're in a range within a range, if that makes sense. So we don't ever really want to be in a market where price is just kind of like going side by side. Typically when we're in a ranging market, what we want to look for is a breakout, right? We want to look for a break of structure. We don't want to be trading within it. Now, mind you, sometimes we can. If we know we're at the bottom of the range or at the top of the range, then there's obviously much more less risk of price going against us, and most likely price is going to continue going down further in this case, or over here, if price is at the bottom of this range, most likely price is going to continue going higher, right? Because of previous market structure behavior, etc., 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 right? So that's something to keep in mind, guys. Like, you know, I've been doing this for 6 years. It takes time to actually, like, you know, figure this out and look at how the market reacts. But that's what I'm here for. I'm here to teach you guys. I'm here to provide as much value, so and be able to help you guys take your trading to the next level. And kind of like how my bio is, right? Trading simplified. I always like to keep it nice and simple. All right, we got a couple more people in the chat box. Welcome, guys. Welcome. As more and more people join us, I'm just gonna read these comments. Give me 1 second here. Bear with me, all right, guys? In the meantime, welcome, welcome. Got a couple more people joining us. Hey, we've got Arlie. Arlie, subscribe to the channel. Welcome, Arlie. Welcome to the family. And we've got Perline. Perline, welcome to the channel. All right. So all right, let's take a look at AU. Yeah, Stetco, yeah, Stetco, welcome, man. Not sure if you've been here before, but welcome to the channel, man. Yeah, so let's take a look at yeah, AUD USD. I don't think I even have it here in my charts as one of the ones I look at, but let's take a look. Australian versus Canadian dollar. And you said you're in a long, eh? Well, let's take a look. All right, so daily overall. All right, so daily, not looking bullish just yet. We were trending downwards. We got a break of structure, but still not bullish. Waiting for price to push above this level on the daily before we look for any buys. Obviously, we want to zoom in. I'm just getting an overall idea of the market, the direction of the market, okay? So now that we know, guys, that price, keep this in mind, guys, and I want to teach you guys a little one-on-one lesson here. Something that's really important is the daily and 4 hours, just to give us an idea of the overall direction. And so what we're gonna do is, oh, sorry, AUD US, my mistake. I don't even know why I put AUD CAD for a sec. It was probably the first one that popped up. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, this changes. Perfect. All right, let's start all over here. So, let's clear this off. Daily. Yeah, so it's looking bearish to me, overall sentiment. That's the bigger picture. Let's go down to the 4 hour, top down analysis. Okay. to me, what's going on here right now is odd US is just ranging, but it looks like it potentially broke break of structure. It seems like it has broken structure over here. So actually, you might be looking at sells. We had break of structure here at this level, okay? And so I'm short there on odd USD. Yes, short. Statco, good. Yeah, good. That's what we're looking at. We're not looking for buys. And Saksham, it's okay. That's all part of the learning process, my friend. Yeah, I wouldn't look for buys right now for odd US. And I'll tell you my reason why. The reason why I wouldn't look for buys is because after a strong push like this, right, price has to take a break, right? But not only that, it actually broke this level of support. So price isn't gonna pull back anyways. So even after a push like this, it's not gonna pull back all the way back up. I mean, not most cases. But the main reason why I think it is a sell is because it actually broke this level of support, which is quite significant, right? If we go out, and this is a 1 hour, so each candle represents an hour of movement. And so what we can expect, again, this could be a fake out, right? But based off of what I'm looking at, it doesn't really look like a fake out. What we want to wait for is a slight confirmation. We want to see price reject this level a couple more times, and then we can start looking for some juicy sells, right? So we're there, we're pretty much there, but just don't look for buys at, like, I see what you're saying. Maybe what you saw was like, hey, like it pushed back at the bottom of this range, so I'm gonna start looking for a buy, right? Okay, that's reasonable, right, in your position. But you gotta also look at your left hand side and see, oh crap, price failed to hold support. And this is a key level of support, guys. Key level, right? So even if it's small, it still broke it. And this is on the 4 hour. So we got two 4 hour candles that pushed through this level of support. So yeah. All right, guys. So I'm just going through the comments here as more and more people join us. Welcome to the channel, guys. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we are live. We are here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So welcome to the family, guys. All right. Okay, mate, can pull back. My position is on the 5 minute. Okay, yo, what's your opinion on gold? I think it's the same break of structure. We should look for sells if the 1 hour close breaks and below and break the previous 1 hour candle. Yes, that's correct. Yep. That's right. This is I did Statco. I did yesterday. I came on. I did a live stream on it. So this has been since yesterday. You guys can see, right, my analysis here. We have the pullback I expected to this level of resistance, and I'm expecting gold to come back down to the 1700 range, the 1714, around that range. And again, like I told you guys on my previous live stream last night, I said let's wait for price to pull back and reject this level of resistance. So yes, I am expecting price to we're looking for shorts for gold. Obviously, always keep in mind, guys, this is not financial advice, and you know the market can always do whatever it wants, right? We just gotta hop on the train and take advantage of the ride. Welcome, guys. We've got a couple more people joining us. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the family. Saren. Welcome, Saren. We've got another amazing member joining us. Statco, Welcome, brother. It says Stetko Dennis says, "Yo, it's that same idea I have too. Thank you, sir. I've got to say, you're a true teacher." No worries, man. No worries. I'm always here. I'm here to help each and every one of you guys. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. So if you find this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like button, and also subscribe and hit the notifications so you get notified every single day. I'm notified, or every single day I'm live, sorry. All right. Welcome, Seren. A couple more people subscribing to us, so welcome to the family. Oh yeah, we've got a couple more people actually. Alright guys, so we've got a couple more pairs to look at and a couple more trades we're going to be getting into. So let's get started. I'm excited. Alright, so Gbpjpy seems like it's holding some sort of support. Like I mentioned, price could potentially hold this level of support, and it might just still be just bullish and continue to the upside. We might see some sort of a double top formation here. So something to keep in mind, right? Price might just come back to this level, retest this high over here, and then push back down, right? Longer term wise, we could push back down, but keep in mind we're still bullish. Gbpjpy odd actually pulled back to our level exactly where we want it. We had a break of structure, so we could see price came down, strong momentum, pulled back, came back to this level of resistance, and we are getting a beautiful rejection here. And you guys could see my explanation here from last night, right? So what I was expecting was price to create some sort of a double top formation, break through, right? And then we expect some sort of a pullback after breaking the structure here. I'm looking for potential sells for Gbpjpy odd, so it's something I'm keeping an eye on. So yeah, make sure you guys stick around. 4-hour chart, again, mind you, we're getting that double top formation on the 1 hour. As you guys can see, as predicted, and I was looking at this since yesterday and explained to you guys, let's wait for the pullback. You can see my arrow I put there, and then we can expect a continuation to the downside. If we go to the 1 hour, and I want you guys to see this, how clear this is starting to pan out. If you look at the 1 hour, you can see that price rejected and failed to break this level of structure. The ceiling high, remember the ceiling example I give you guys, right? It failed to push higher, and so what we're expecting is price to what? Reject this level. If price is rejecting this level and it's failing to push higher, what are we expecting, guys, right? If price is failing to go down lower and it's failing to break the floor, what are we expecting? We're expecting buys, right? So in this case, if price is rejecting this ceiling, right, and it tried it once and then it's trying it again and then it fails, what are we expecting? We're expecting shorts. We're expecting sells. You can see that it's creating this double top formation, and so we can expect a shorts. And not only that, so now that we can expect that, right, and if we go back up to the 4 hour, right, and we look at, okay, where are these potential levels, or even the daily, that we can see price go back down to, and there's lots of space, right? Like if you look over here, it's kind of hard to see, but these are levels of significance where price could potentially come to, right over here, right? So we've got lots of area of movement. We've got lots of potential to the downside. Look at this push here, right? And then price consolidated, and now we could expect another push to the downside, right? Consolidated for a bit after a push, and now it's pushing down further, broke this level of support at this area here, and so now we're seeing short opportunities. And so now that we know long term we can expect shorts and sells on the daily, when we narrow it down and we know Gbpjpy odd, if we go down to like the 30-minute, we can really get into some good trades here, right? Some good sell trades, right? The problem is that a lot of people see this and they go, oh man, like 30-minute, 15-minute, yeah, this is buys for sure. And that's fine. That's fine. That's part of the process, right? That's part of learning, right? But it's not like that. So welcome, guys. We've got a couple more people joining us. Welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time We are live here every single day, Monday through Friday. Andrea, welcome. We have Andrea just joining our family as well. She has subscribed. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the family. Also, guys, don't be shy, guys. Feel free to ask any questions you may have. I'm always here to help, and I'm always willing to help, guys. So that's why I created this channel, was mainly focused on providing as much value as possible to all my viewers. And you guys know I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So I've got lots of amazing people that you guys know who you are that are here every single day. So I really appreciate the support, guys. And I know that you guys are learning. I know you guys are grasping, everything I'm teaching you, because watch, every single day you guys come on, every single day you guys are consistent, every single day you guys study, you will see results. I'm telling you, you will see results. I'm living proof of that. And I'm gonna share with you guys later on, even like my weight loss journey, guys. Like I have so much more to go, but I was actually I reached a point where I actually weighed over 265 pounds. Like, that was my peak, my ultimate peak, guys. And right now I weigh 220. Mind you, for our wedding I was able to lose down to 209, and for me that was a huge accomplishment. But it took me years and years to finally just figure it out, and then not only that, to implement it. And the biggest thing was consistency. The biggest thing was in those nights or evenings where I wanted to eat something, or I wanted to cheat, or I wanted to, when I stood my ground and I said, no, I'm not eating, no, I'm just gonna have this tea, I'm just gonna have water, right? When I actually stuck to my plan and I was disciplined, that's when I finally started seeing results. And I lost over 40 pounds, guys. So, yeah, I've got like pictures, and like you'd notice it right away, like huge difference. All right, we've got Lindo Cool here, and Vad put a nice heart emoji, and YouTube. Thank you, Linda Cool and Vad, for being here. Really appreciate you, man, for being a part of the family. So welcome. We've got Stetko Dennis, US 30. What do you think, Master? Master. Oh man. I appreciate you, man. Really do. Let's take a look. Let's see what's going on. Let's take a look at US 30. So my thoughts on US 30 right now are potentially, I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for a pullback. I'm looking for some sort of like a double bottom formation. So let's kind of, again, start from the top. I always like to do like kind of like a top-down analysis and kind of go from there. So let's look at the weekly here. All right, so this is what I'm seeing on the weekly, guys. So we were pushing, okay? Again, I know that we're day traders, right? We're not like, you know what I mean, long-term traders. We're not looking for like monthly charts and stuff like that. I'm just looking at the weekly just to get an idea of the direction. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that this is kind of my strategy and how I look at the market. But okay, so now that we know that price has been pushing down, price broke this level of support, we could expect that the overall sentiment is bearish. Mind you though, price is retesting this area of, retesting this level of previous support, now future resistance, and it failed, so it pushed down lower. Now, we do have to keep in mind that this level is potentially holding support, but could come down further or push back up temporarily to this level here and create some sort of a double top formation and retest these highs over here, okay? So price for US 30 might, after a push above this previous level, this previous high, it's kind of like, okay, we're gonna retest these lows over here before pushing down further. Does that make sense? So before price pushes down further, I'm expecting price for US 30 to pull back up and retest these highs, okay? Because this was a previous level that was broken and it got retested. and price is coming back to this level to retest it, and it failed. So we're expecting one more retest, potentially, because price could just melt, right? So we don't know. We want to see how far price is going to hold here for US 30. So let's go down to the daily, and we can see on the daily it's looking bearish. Okay, look, it's not holding support yet. It looks like nothing's going on right now with US 30. So I'm not on a trade on US 30 yet. So I'm expecting potential pullback, but I want to see price hold this level of support, excuse me, before any pullbacks or anything like that. I'm just gonna clean it up here a bit. To be honest, I'm expecting US 30 actually to not hold this level of support potentially. It actually come down to this level over here further, and we're looking at the 31,260 range. Because this level looks a lot more, it looks like it has a lot more support, right? I see that level holding much more than the current level right here that we're looking at. This is a much stronger level. It's got a lot more previous level of support and resistance, and so I feel it's more significant. So price could come back down to this level, and then start reacting to this level, not this level. I don't know why, but I just have that feeling. Let's look at the 4 hour. Let's see what it does, right? So if we look at the 4 hour, it is reacting. It is reacting. It's just we're not in a trade yet. Let's put it that way. I mean, some people could risk it for the biscuit, and they could come to this area here and then just be like, all right, I'm gonna get on a buy, and then all of a sudden US 30 just melts, right? So because it's not a key level of support, like it's not a huge significant level, I would not get on a buy yet, guys, because I want to wait for strong confirmations. I want to see price starting to reject on not the 30-minute or the 15-minute, because that's not as significant, right? I want to see a double bottom. I want to see a head and shoulder formation. I want to see strong, like, you know what I mean? Like I want to see that on the 1 hour. I want to see that on the 4 hour, right? So we could see that on the 1 hour, it's kind of, it broke, it's holding support here, and then it's creating another support area here, kind of looking like a double bottom if we get a strong rejection of this level. But again, I mean, I wouldn't get into it. Now, mind you, if we get that strong rejection here and we get a candle close and we get breakup structure here, we're looking for a nice pullback trade, counter trade, for some buys for US 30. And that's kind of my analysis for now for US 30. Oh, and we killed US 30 last week. It's insane. Even this trade here, we took this one here. This was my prediction: pullback and then melt. You guys can see the arrow here, and like, you could go back to the live streams if you guys want to see what I'm telling you and see how it all panned out. You guys will see that how we explained this and the trades went in our favor. It was insane. Same with Bitcoin. This analysis I made last week, look how it melted, guys. Like, literally. Stetco, great, thanks, great judgment. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Thank you, appreciate it. You know I'm gonna be honest with you guys always, so. You caught that move? Yes, I did. Yeah, and I saw that coming. Actually, for those of you that don't know, or are just joining the channel, I've been in crypto for quite some time. I wish I would have gotten crypto or Bitcoin way before. I wish someone would have told me. I would have been that one crazy guy that would have bought, like, I don't know, 1,000 Bitcoins. I would have been heavily invested back in 2013 or 2012 if someone would have told me, right? I was in high school back then, so anyways, doesn't matter. You live and learn. I got in Bitcoin around 2016, just before the hype in 2017 when we had that bull market run. So I have quite the extensive knowledge in cryptocurrencies and all that type of stuff, and in fact, my story with me and the wife, we definitely, it's been a long journey, and we've been through so much in terms of, like, you know, just our journey as a whole. And welcome Marielle, we've got another new member to the family, welcome to the channel. Super excited to have you. Cheers. Yeah, so we actually got the opportunity to get into Bitcoin, Ethereum, a couple other investments that we got into, Shiba Inu, and we were able to actually liquidate our assets before actually Bitcoin started going down in this previous bull market. We actually took our profits. We were able to pay off our cars. Wifey was able to pay off her Mercedes. I was able to pay off. We paid off our X6 as well. Yeah, it's just been a blessing, to be honest with you guys. We're definitely thankful. You know, God's given us amazing opportunities, and we have so much opportunities come and go, and it's all about taking advantage of those opportunities, guys, because if you don't take advantage of the opportunities, then you're gonna miss out, right? So we were able to, we're at our new place, we're at our new house now, so we were able to pay a portion of our down payment thanks to Bitcoin. So we did liquidate that, and I was trading Bitcoin on leverage as well too, so that's how we were able to grow our account, trading Bitcoin and et cetera, et cetera. At the time I was also learning Forex, right? So way back then, right? So I've been in the game for quite some time, and you just learn to be patient. You learn to wait for results, right? Nothing comes quick, but is it worth it? Absolutely. Did I ever think that I would be able to, we'd be able to, pay off certain stuff like our cars and our whole, portion of our house through trading and no, I would have not in a million years, right? And the fact that it's crazy, like, people don't believe it until they see it in the flesh, right? And had a couple of my parents' friends reach out, and we're talking like people that friends that have been in the industry, or like not industry, but like have been in the business, like entrepreneurship journey for a long time. Like, I'm talking people that were like shipping, like, you know what I mean? People that have like businesses, passive income businesses and stuff like that. Like, hey, like, how do you do this, right? Like, what are you doing? How do you trade? How do I invest? How do I, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, welcome guys, welcome. We've got a couple more people joining us. Make sure you hit that like button if you're enjoying every single live stream I'm putting on, but make sure you hit that like button as well if you're enjoying this live stream too. I appreciate it, helps the algorithm, and you're supporting the channel. So we've got Bernetta, welcome to the family, welcome to the channel. Super excited to have you. Let's give a round of applause to Bernetta. Welcome to the family. Harpreet, now everyone says, I wish I had bought Bitcoin. Yes, that's right. Yeah, that is right. I think we all have our regrets. Like, some people are like, oh man, I got into Bitcoin when it was $3,000. Let that sink in for a sec. 3 freaking grand. And everyone, at least in my circle at the time, thought, you are nuts, man. Like, why are you gonna invest this kind of money into that? Like, you are nuts. Nope. I saw the vision. I saw the potential it had, right? And even people to this day, they're like, oh my god, like, Bitcoin went all the way up to 60K and now it's at 19. Like, wow, that's it. It's a failure. It's done. No, it's not. It's not even done. It's just getting started, right? If we look at Bitcoin in previous market cycles, it's always done that. It's done that push, pulls back, consolidates, and then it comes back up, push. We're going through a market cycle, guys. That's all we're doing, really. Yeah, so it's pretty sick, man. Like, Bitcoin's got lots of potential. I'm gonna see it probably range and retest this level around here. I don't really see Bitcoin going any lower, really. I might see some sort of wick, probably down to maybe 14,000, and then it's gonna wick right back up and kind of maintain this level of support around this range of 18,000. and then it's just gonna like consolidate for a little bit until we probably 2024 is the next halving event, I believe, and then that's what I believe is gonna kickstart the next bull market. And so yeah, so I am still bullish on Bitcoin, regardless of whoever's opinion it is, but it's obviously long term, guys. This is all long term, right? All right, so let's take a look here. We've got Stetco. We've got. I just want to take a short on gold, but New York Open is coming, and I lost so many times, so not waiting. So for not waiting New York to see what happens. Exactly. Stetco, I also wanted to, but same as you. Exactly, guys. So hang in there. I'm telling you, right? What happens is a lot of times we rush into a trade, and trust me, you don't want to do that, right? You don't want to look back and then be like, crap, man, I should have just waited, right? Once we get that confirmation, I'll let you guys know, right? We can get into it together. Okay, so let's take a look at the 1 hour. Welcome, guys. We're gonna a couple more people joining us. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. All right, so we're getting that rejection, which is good. We just gotta wait for New York Open. Even if we get like a slight like double top on like the 30-minute or the 15-minute, like a double top pattern, that's it. That's all we really need for sell, and then we just minimize our risk, right? So if anything, if price does like push up, and you know, we at least minimize our risk as much as possible, guys. But it taught me to wait. Yeah, the market will humble you guys. I am telling you that. The market will humble you. Welcome, guys. We've got a couple more people joining us. Welcome. If you're enjoying the live stream, make sure you hit that like button. I appreciate it. And I appreciate all the support, guys. Let's give it a like. Alright, guys, we're looking for potential gold sells at the time. At the moment, we're going to just wait for a little bit more rejection, wait for New York Open for gold sells. GJ is just ranging. Not really a good trade setup. Nice. Gbpjpy odd. We're getting that rejection, guys. We're getting that rejection. Take a look at that. Look at that wick right there. Look at that wick, and then we're getting a straight bearish candle. This pattern right here is what we want to see on the 1 hour. We just gotta wait for this candle to close. Once this candle closes, we can get on a sell. And then again, this is on the 1 hour. We could leave it at like 25 pip stop loss, and then we could even short term just target like these lows over here, 40 pips. But if we target, I would probably target these lows over here. That's 87 pip move, right? Yeah. And then once we have breakup structure over here, let me just move this here, over here, then we can expect a price to break further. Let me just clean this up. Then a pullback to this level of previous support and now future resistance, and then a continuation to the downside. Stat code GJ killed me last week. Yeah, me and GJ right now, our relationship is a little rocky, so yeah, she's ranging way too much. All right, right, guys, welcome. We got a couple more people joining us. Welcome. Let's go back up to the 4 hour. This is the GBP US. We did get a break of structure, and let's just kind of zoom in here a little bit. Actually, zoom out, sorry. Yeah, so we got break of structure here, guys. You guys could see that price failed to hold this level of support. We were ranging for a bit. We got a strong momentum push on the 4 hour, and this is the 4 hour time frame. So we got break of structure, and we are now retesting, expecting a retest to these highs over here. And so we want to look for some sort of rejection and then a continuation to the downside. Welcome, guys, welcome. All right. GJ, I wouldn't get into GJ right now, but let's take a look. You're saying 162, 162, 50 minute, 162, 200. Let's take a look. No, so I started on my own, but I actually had a mentor teach me a lot here in Canada. He's actually local too. He lives close to where I live, about probably like 40 minutes away. And yeah, found him online, and you know, he taught me a lot. Definitely, that kind of got my feet wet. But I took lots of courses. I went through a lot, went through the learning curve, and I bought a couple courses, and it just took time. But then I started like really understanding basic market structure, which was the most important thing. 15 minute, if it's gonna pull back, I mean, potentially. I mean, what are we talking? Like, so you're asking me if price is gonna go back up to this level here. I see what you're saying. Right there. I don't really see, like, I mean, it could be. I mean, we are pushing somewhat like an upwards trend, somewhat bullish. I guess, yeah, I guess we could see GBP retesting these highs here because we are expecting some sort of a pullback. So if we go to GBP odd, let's look at GBP US. So everything's kind of pulling back for the British pound pairs. So yeah, I could see it coming back up. But again, this is not a trade I want to take. This is not a trade I would even recommend, to be honest, even on the 15 minute. But it's totally up to you. Totally up to you. I would probably stay out, but I'll leave that to you guys. Yeah, that's why I don't trade indicators. I don't really trade all that type of stuff. I do have a couple indicators that I do have here in my charts, as you guys can see. And I'll show you in a second. So I've got, for example, I've got trend line with breaks. This one is just kind of helps me look if price is breaking structure. So if I go down to like the 1 hour just to make it look cleaner and stuff. So technically what it does is just creates a trend line for me. That's all it does, really. And then it does like notify you, hey, like this is a bullish candle or a bearish candle, that's it. But I don't really follow through with that, because the most important thing that you guys want to know is you guys want to learn basic market structure, right? You want to learn price action, right? You want to learn how price moves, right? Like, you don't want to be basing your analysis just on indicators, because indicators won't be the answer to you know, becoming fully profitable. That's not the way I recommend it, to be honest. Now, is there strategies? Of course, I've got my strategy and my way of looking at the markets, and you know what I mean? Like, there's people that I've taught in the past, like one-on-one, that, you know what I mean, have been able to learn and take their trading to the next level, and they've liked the way I'm able to explain things. So, but anyways, that's why I share it with you guys. I share with you guys as much value as I can, right? So if you guys are new and you're just joining us, welcome to the channel. Got a couple more people joining us, so yeah, we're here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I've got 20 more minutes until New York Open. So yeah, this is kind of like just trend line. It's not really like a indicator or anything. It just kind of gives me an idea. Okay, so if price breaks below this line here, then we're looking for potential sells. Same thing, if price is above the green line, then we're looking for buys. again, it's the same thing. It's just drawing the trend lines for you. And then if you guys might see me pull this one, same thing. Just kind of gives you an overall idea of kind of what to expect for price, and kind of overall sentiment of the market, right? So again, if you understand basic market structure and price action, you don't really need this. It just kind of helps a little bit for some. So yeah, I just have them there. I rarely use them, but you'll probably see me use them every once in a while. Let's go, let's go. We've got more and more people joining us, guys. Welcome, welcome. We've got Barbie. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the family. Let's go, let's go. We've got new members joining us, so make sure you join us as well. Make sure you subscribe for those of you that are new. Just gonna change it up here with the music a little bit. So USD/JPY went in our favor, Bitcoin went in our favor. Lots of great trade opportunities, guys, in the market. So super excited for what's to come. US 30, I'm expecting some sort of a pullback, but I want to see price hold this level of support first before anything, before I get in. So. Ethereum. Yes, we got a break of structure here for Ethereum. Ethereum's looking mad bearish, mad bearish. We can maybe expect some sort of a pullback to this level, but it's looking so bearish that it's just probably gonna melt, to be honest. Got a couple more people joining us. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the channel. Gbpjpy, we got break of structure here. We were ranging for a little bit here. As you guys can see, this is the 4-hour chart for Gbpjpy. So we had price push up, break this level of resistance, price range for a bit, and then we broke this ranging channel. And so it seems like we're retesting it right now. As I mentioned, you can see my analysis here. I was expecting price to pull back to this level, and if it holds support, I kind of explained this trade on my previous live stream. If we see price hold support, we can expect a continuation to the upside. What's your trade strategy section? 1 second. ETH merge, I think it's going to be a huge opportunity. Of course, yes. Strategy is pullback strategy. I like to trade like just basic market structure. I show you guys how I look at the markets in my channel, so if you guys are looking to learn and see how I look at the markets, subscribe below. Hit that notification too as well, because I am live every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yes, I'm from Canada. Alright, so we've got Lynn Cole Invad here. He says, I've been trading alone, and I'm happy to have someone like you, I guess the wider like you, sharing ideas. Hey man, that's awesome. You're not alone. You're already part of the family. You're already part of this amazing community. So super excited to have you, and thank you for joining us here. Like I said, I've created this YouTube channel to help people like yourself, because when I first started trading, I felt alone. I felt I didn't have that support, and I felt lost because there was so much information out there. That's the reason. That's one of the main reasons why I started this whole channel, and the reason why I said, you know what, that same determination I had that helped me lose 40 pounds in my entire journey. And I'm gonna show you guys pictures before, which was crazy. But yeah, like that same determination, that why is what helped me get to where I was. And that's when I said, you know what, I had people ask me, like, how do you do it? You know what I mean? And I'm like, you know what, man, if I can help someone, like, that in itself is such a good feeling, you know what I mean? And be able to give back to the community, you know, the help that I got, like, and be able to be of some sort of help to someone, that's a big deal, you know what I mean? Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you, this was me, literally, I don't know if you guys could see really well, but this was me, literally a year ago. So give me 1 sec, because I'm gonna turn up the brightness here. There. I don't know if you guys could see really well, but I was pretty overweight. Right? So yeah, that's my story. I can tell you one thing: consistency will get you results, guys, and that's what I preach, right? And one of the, if you're new to the channel, guys, and you're just joining us, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you're missing out if you're not subscribed to this channel, because I try to provide as much value as possible to each and every one of you guys. And for those of you that are already part of the family, comment below. Let me know how I've been able to help you guys, and let the other people know how much you've been able to learn. And yeah, let me know if you're enjoying these live streams. We've got Lindo Cole and Vod. Thanks, bro, for your time. No problem, man. Anytime, bro. That's what I'm here for. We've got a couple more people joining us, guys. Also, before I forget, guys, make sure you follow me on my socials too. At Pedro FX Official through Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Yeah, so make sure you follow me on my socials. Mainly, I use mainly Instagram, to be honest. I also have my Blessed Traders Academy on Telegram. We are shifting from Facebook over to Telegram. So yeah, so keep an eye out on that as well, guys. So we've got Gbpjpy, it's rejecting that level, and it's pushing up as per our current analysis. Yes, the market's slow right now. Yes. So we've got a couple people here. Stedco, congrats, earned my respect. That's awesome, brother. Appreciate it. Thanks for being a part of the family. We've got Saksham, we've got markets moving slow today. Yes, it is. Plus, we gotta wait for New York Open. We'll start getting a little bit more volume. Consistency was my problem. Even now, sometimes I struggle, but gotta keep it up. You know what, Harpreet? I've seen you join my live stream from pretty much the beginning, and you're here pretty much every day. So whatever you're doing, just keep going, man. Like, don't give up. Just you. Like I showed you guys a picture of like my weight loss, you know what I mean? Like, that's a great example of like consistency, right? Consistency will give you results. So just be patient, you're on the right track, and you'll see results shortly. Gotta say, I jumped out on gold, broke your rule, but it's paying off. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, it is. It's rejecting right now. Money market's choppy. Yes, it is choppy. Welcome, guys. We've got a couple more people joining us. Just want to welcome you guys. Take this time to welcome you to the channel. Welcome to the family. I've got an awesome group on Telegram, so make sure you guys hit the link in my bio and join my Telegram group. I do share my analysis there in the Telegram group. It is absolutely free to join, so feel free to join. Yes, that's right. So now that New York is going to open, we can see gold kind of pulling back. So keep that in mind. Price could pull back, as I mentioned, and create that double top, and then I'll get in. But as of right now, I don't want to get into gold. But good call on getting in there, like I mentioned. You can, but just you got to know how to manage your risk, okay? Yeah, wait for the volume. That's kind of what I'm waiting. So, but overall, that's still a good move. Odd US flips bullish. Let's take a look. Let's see. Yeah, potentially. Remember what I told you guys? I told you guys at the beginning. I was like, listen, this could be a fake out. And in fact, this candle right here, that hammer wick right there, do you see that? At the bottom of a push like that, sometimes indicates a reversal. So for all we know, this could be a fake out. But all we have to do is wait, because then that's how we know. We get that confirmation, right? So we could get a push, strong push like this, and then price could just, for all we know, just wick or continue going up and get an insane amount of volume as New York opens. So we'll see. This is the current gold trade. It's actually a minute exit AU. Yeah, okay, yeah, good, because I wouldn't have got in. I would just wait for confirmation, to be honest. But we're doing good, guys. We're doing good. Any other pairs you guys want me to look over? Awesome. We got a couple more people joining us, guys. Welcome. If you're enjoying this live stream, make sure you hit that like button. Please do me that favor, and make sure you join the family as well, guys. Make sure you join the family. Click the link below to join the family. Come on, let's go. It's absolutely free to join, and I'm here every single day, guys, for you guys to help you out as much as possible and provide as much value, guys. So make sure you join us and join the family. Corey, just subscribe to the channel. Welcome, Corey. Got lots more people joining us. Welcome, Corey. If you're in profit, you can wait with stop loss or break even. Harpreet sign. Okay, yeah. Perfect, bro. Alright, guys. Let's go. US 30. Nope. Not looking good, not looking good for US30, not yet. Not yet. Oh wait, I was gonna show you the music. One sec, guys. Let's go back to gold. So waiting for that retest here before I get it on gold. And then I want to see volume and price reject these highs over here before a continuation to the downside. So we just gotta wait it out, guys. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. Oh, there. Alright, 1 second, guys. Alright, guys. Market open in less than 2 minutes. Are you guys ready for this week? Every 5 minutes. Yeah, of course. Oh, yeah. But again, I would just wait and see for gold to reject this level first. Probably on the 15 minute at least. I want to see it reject on the 15 minute. Like see how it's coming back. I want to see it kind of reject this level, even at least on the 15 minute chart. And if we see price hold this level of resistance, and we see price fail to break that ceiling, then you guys know what to do. You guys know exactly what to do. Welcome everyone. We've got a couple more people joining us. Welcome to the family. Welcome to La Familia. Super excited to have everyone here and join the family. If you guys are enjoying the content, please give it a like. Appreciate the support, guys. Let's try and get it to 15 likes. Let's go. Alright, gold's looking like it's setting up, guys. It is 8 a.m. right now. We are New York Open at this time. GJ range, GBP odd. We are getting that rejection. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. We got it close on the 1 hour. Okay. All right, guys. So this is the trade I want to look at for GBP odd. We got a close. Price is moving up. Just want to wait for a little bit more volume. Want to see this candle kind of start pushing downwards, and then we can look for some sells for GBP odd. Okay. We do have that double top formation. We are at a key level of resistance. Okay, look at the 4 hour, guys. 4 hour. We're at a major level of structure. Price broke this level of structure. Price came back up, retested as predicted. See that line right there? Arrow. We consolidated for a bit. And if we look here, we are ranging and rejecting this level. If we go down to the 1 hour, we can see a double top formation here. We got that strong candle form confirmation. It's showing bearish sentiment, so I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for shorts for Gbpjpy, guys. So let's narrow this down to the 15-minute. Yeah. Gbp odd. I am going to get on a sell. Set my stop loss above these highs over here. 25 pip stop loss, 1.7458. And again, remember guys, everything's about probabilities, right? For all I know, right now we might get this volume and price just could come back up, right? So there's no guarantee. Just keep that in mind, guys, right? Trade at your own risk, but also never risk money you're not willing to lose, right? So it's part of the trading journey, right? You will have your losses, but just keep in mind, right? It's all about probabilities. You want to look at the opportunities, right? What's the probability of price continuing down further? What's the probability of price, you know, pushing higher, whatever. Set my targets here. Yes, more people joining us. Welcome to the family. I've got Harpreet, man. He's my moderator, man. Appreciate it, brother. Harpreet, man. You're awesome, man. Okay. So 169. So I'm just kind of setting my take profit. 69 350. Let's put it like that. I think first TP, to be honest with you guys, I'll be quite honest. It's probably like around here, because I'm gonna see probably price come to this level and kind of like it's gonna react a certain way, right? But once we see this price come to this level and then it starts breaking down lower, then we'll see like clean push to probably like these levels over here. We'll get like 84 pips. So good potential move, and again, right, it's all about probabilities. There's no 100%, guys, but based off of my analysis, this is kind of what I'm looking at. Just, and I'm in this trade right now, by the way. Gbp odd shorts. Let's go. Welcome, guys. I'm officially, we are officially on a short for Gbp odd. Set my 25 pip stop, and like I told you guys, we'll probably see price react around this level. We'll probably get like 40 pips or so, and then a continuation to the downside. We just got to get that volume. But again, proper risk management, guys, because remember, price could do anything at any moment. So we just got to, as long as we have our stop losses set and we're not over trading, we should be good. So if price does decide to go against us, it's all good. Start fresh. You know, another tomorrow's a new day, and we'll just go from there. Euro US was a good trade at the time. Euro JPY, we're getting a push to the upside. Okay, so Euro's coming back, eh? Okay, good. Nice. What did I say here? Look for buys once price breaks structure. So price broke structure, guys. This is it. Look, I put that there when it was here. So I could probably expect price to come to probably like around like these levels. These levels over here. I don't know why it does that. And then we'll expect some sort of a, again, this is the 4 hour, so sort of a pullback and continuation to retest these highs over here. So potential buy setups for Euro JPY. We just gotta wait for a pullback, guys. Let's go. We got some good buys, juicy buys. Gbp odd. Let's go. It's time for her to melt. Let's go. 15, 30 minute, 15. Yeah, you know, Mondays sometimes might be a little bit slower, but it's all good. But we've got some good setups here, guys. Some good potential trades here. Alright guys, so welcome. We've got a couple more people joining us. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys, and hit that notification bell. We go live every single day. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And let's get started. Yes, Harpreet knows what's good. Feel free to ask any questions you guys have. I've got my friend Harpreet here helping me out. Let's go. Alright guys. So, you guys remember I mentioned that USDJPY could have a continuation to the upside. We did get that pullback and it seems like it is holding support. Yeah, it is a strong push, but I feel like price could potentially come back up and kind of retest these highs here. And then if it breaks these highs, a continuation to the upside. Just something to keep in mind. The Telegram group, it's valid. Just join. Sorry, not sure, Stego, what you mean by valid. Yeah, everything's working. Yeah, we got a couple more people joining us. Yeah, it's I'm moving everyone over from our Facebook group. So our Facebook group, we had a little bit more larger community. So this is new. So if you're just joining the Telegram group, it's it won't have much, but I am posting there my analysis and a couple other stuff. So guys, welcome. USDJPY looking like buys. That's what we've got right now. Awesome, we've got lots of people joining us right now on the channel. Welcome guys, welcome. We've also got a couple more people joining us on our Telegram as well, guys, so welcome. I will be posting there, so make sure that you guys are subscribed, but not only subscribed, but also joining us and following us on our Telegram. We've also got a nice Facebook group too, so but we are shifting our Facebook group over to Telegram. Look at the 4 hour. All right, we've got Michael Cook. What do you think of GU? Let's take a look. I think GU is pulling back, so let's take a look. 4 hour, yeah, so pretty much that was my analysis since yesterday. Price is gonna pull back, so we could look for some short-term, like really short-term like if you're looking to kind of like scalp or get into it, like a short-term trade or something like that, potentially, but I would just wait. I personally would wait. Yeah. I'm not really looking for anything yet, waiting for price to kind of come and retest these highs before we look for a continuation to the downside. So I want to see price come to these lows over here and then retest this level over here. It's a key level here, yeah. See it better on the 4-hour, see? So price, it's a key level here, and then finally broke below, and then now it's pulling back. So I wouldn't get on the pullback. I would get once price comes up here and we see some nice wick rejections like this over here, and then get on some nice sells. And then you can get into like 15 minutes. Like that's part of that's like the easy part, just kind of finding your entry on the smaller time frames. But yeah, I'm waiting for confirmation of gold. I'm not really gonna get in yet. Remember I told you guys want to see like some sort of double top formation, even at least on the 15 minute, at least, not on the 5, but at least on the 15, before I consider possibly taking a gold sell. Otherwise, if we see price for gold break above this level of resistance, guys, I'm gonna start looking for buys for gold. Just letting you know. So if we see price break this level of resistance, I'm looking for buys for gold. If we hold this level here of resistance and we reject it one more time and create some sort of a double top, we're gonna look for sells. Okay. Welcome, guys. We've got a couple more people joining us. Welcome. Welcome to the channel, guys. Gbpjpy odd going in our favor, guys. You guys can see that our trade is going exactly as predicted. We do want to wait for a stronger push, more volume coming in. A little bit slower right now, but as you guys can see, the trade is going in our favor. If you guys are wondering kind of what I was looking for or kind of what I can expect, go back on our live stream, you'll be able to kind of see the explanation. But really, really cool. Yeah, I would probably advise it close to it. But that's good. Yeah, get your money and get out. Crazy. See how I drew this level as a target area for price to pull back? It's once you start understanding like basic market structure, and you'll be able to figure that out, right? So you'll be able to see it clearly, right? So, but again, guys, keep in mind if price does break, that's why I didn't get in on gold. But if price does break this level of resistance and pushes up and starts, like, you see that strong bullishness, then I'm not looking for sells anymore. I'm looking for buys. As of right now, I've just set it as sells, but it could be a push to the upside. You never know. There we go. We're starting to get that push I mentioned, right? 30 minute, 1 hour. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, we're getting a heavy rejection. Like I said, I want to see some resistance hold here at this level for me to even consider looking at buys. So otherwise, if price continues to push higher, we're looking at a different overall sentiment of the market. could form that double top. We're gonna see. Gbpjpy odd trade that we took and we're currently on is going in our favor, guys. As you guys can see, I mentioned that we are in a double top formation. We are live on this trade right now, guys. Those of you that are just joining us, you can see that we do take our live trades here during our live stream. So if you are not part of the family yet, make sure you join the family, guys. It's absolutely free to join. I'm here every single day, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'd love to have you guys. So let's continue here. We were looking at the 1 hour. You can see a nice clean double top forming here. But if we go up to the 4 hour, I want to show you guys, for those of you that are just joining or want to learn more, we can see that price broke structure, right? This is a level of previous support, now future resistance. Not only that, we had strong momentum, break of structure, price is pulling up, back, retesting. We saw that rejection here on the 4 hour. We saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4-hour candles reject this level. So that's a strong indication to me that price is failing to break higher. Not only that, if we narrow it down to the 1 hour, I told you guys that I saw a double top formation forming. And we can see that price is breaking here. Not only that, we saw at the second top, we saw price create this indecision candle and then the strong bearish candle close. So to me, that was a confirmation of bearish sentiment. So guys, these are important things to learn. I'm telling you, I'm teaching you guys in the flesh right now. So make sure you guys are subscribed and following me every single time, even on the Telegram too, because I will be posting my analysis there. It's absolutely free to join my Telegram group. So link in the bio. Let's take a look here. So yeah, so double top form, 30-minute confirmation, price is melting. That's awesome. Make sure you hit that like button, guys, if you're enjoying this video. That lets me know that you are enjoying these live streams. So if you are, help me reach to 15 likes. Just ranging right now. Euro CAD. Alright, what's going on with Euro CAD? Okay, so we had break and retest of structure. We had our key level here. To me, this looks like a potential fake out. Yeah, because it's within this range, right? So, yeah. No trades right now, but okay. Alright, guys. Got a couple more people joining us, guys. Welcome, welcome. We've got Rihaman just joined our channel. Welcome, Rihaman. Welcome to the family. Got a couple more people joining us. Welcome to the family. Cordula, we've got Cordula joining the channel. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We've got a couple more people joining. Welcome, Cordula. Seems like sometimes it's delayed. That's why. Let me know in the chat box below if you understood the explanation for GBP odd. Was that helpful, guys? Do you find it? Are you able to understand why I'm taking this trade and why I took this trade? Like, do you see the reason why? Let me know if that you find that helpful, the explanation. Stetco, yes sir. You could just call me Pedro. I'd rather not the sir. Thanks, man. There we go. I'm just kind of highlighting this for you guys so you guys can, like, just like as a reminder as to like why we took this trade. Alright guys, give me a few minutes, I will be right back. Just hang in there, guys. Our trade's going in our favor now. USDJPY, we did do a short, British pound against the Australian dollar. GBP odd is going in our favor. That is awesome. Let's take a look at gold. Yes, gold is pushing up higher. So definitely good that I didn't get in on a sell here. So we just gotta wait it out, guys. Wait it out. That's all good. Good thing we didn't get in. GBP odd. So okay, let's just wait, guys. I'll be right back, right? Alright guys, I'm back. Alright guys, we can see that US GBP odd is going in our favor. We saw it, it is going in our direction, so that's awesome to see. A couple more people joining us, guys. Welcome, welcome. Alright, so GBP odd is melting as predicted. That's awesome. I'm expecting price to react at this level, which it will most likely, but if we see price continue to break down further, we can expect price to come down to these lows over here. So good potential trade. I just want to see price break through this level. I've already put my stop loss to entry, so this is kind of a really good trade that we got in. Gold, I think it pushed up. Yeah, so it did push up good. We did not enter this trade, so this was just a potential trade setup. And so, like I said, if we saw gold push up, we were expecting a change of bias. So now we're expecting potential buys, but I want to see the candle close first. This is a key level. It was a key level here, and it's a key level of support as well. Get a couple more people join us. Welcome guys, welcome. We got a couple new followers joining the channel. Yes, we're here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. All right. Let me know in the chat box if you guys want me to go over a certain pair, guys. I'd be more than happy to help in any way possible. Don't be shy. DJ is just ranging. GBP odd trade. This one's melting in our favor. Let's take a look at US 30. So yeah, US 30 is still kind of. I want to see it hold this level of support strongly before I can consider any buys. Looks like on the 1 hour a potential double bottom around here, but yeah, so I want to see price for US 30 break these highs over here and close above this high, previous high, before I can start looking for any buys, guys. Let's go. Got a couple people joining us. This is a Bitcoin trade we took last week. Ethereum, Gbpjpy, first buy, USD CAD. Yes, USD CAD is pulling back. See the arrow I had here set up. Perfect. So with USD CAD, this could be another potential quick trade to get in. I'm expecting price to potentially come down to these lows over here. So this looks like it's a level of significance. This area here, guys. I'm gonna highlight this for you. Sorry, I don't know why it does that sometimes. That should be a little bit better. So potentially this level here, we can kind of continuation of the upwards trend. But not only that, we're at a key level, right? So price reacted right away. So it's a level of significance. So I'm expecting price to continue pulling back, potentially come back and retest these highs before a continuation to the downside, but I think it's just gonna continue going down a little bit further. Welcome, we've got a couple more people joining us. Welcome to the channel, guys. Any questions, any pairs you want me to go over, let me know in the comments below in the chat box. Be more than happy to take a look over any other trade ideas. Yeah, so we got a fake out for odd USD. As you can see, price broke down and then immediately came back up. So now we know that this was not a break of structure, it was just a fake out. So now that we know that, we can expect, so price failed to hold this level of resistance. So now what we want to see is price close above, and then we'll see price kind of retrace back, pull back, most likely, and then we can see another push and we can start looking for buys because we are technically at the bottom of this range. 4 hour, yeah, so the 4 hour, we're at the bottom of this range, so we can start targeting the highs over here, but we want to see price hold. So this is good potential buy opportunities, but not right now. So just gotta wait for price to pull back and kind of create a new trend here, where we can start targeting these areas over here. And this is odd USD. We can take a look at this pair. Anyways, I will be most likely probably coming on tonight as well. So we can look over this pair as well, guys, and kind of come back at it and take a look at it later tonight. Yes. Let's take a look at news. All day Euro news, okay. We've got U.S. news for Tuesday at 10 a.m. All right, this could actually move the market a bit. Gbpjpy holding level of support, price failed to break higher. We'll look for any sells on this pullback until break of structure here. Gold's getting that strong push, perfect. So remember I told you guys we would probably wait for price to kind of react to this level. I saw price kind of reacting, so it seems like it is reacting to this level. Let's just wait and see. At this point we're already ahead. We've probably got like around 25 pips profit right now. So if you want to take, I would probably take partials right now, and then kind of take your profits and run. But I want to see price push this area here before a continuation here, and then if price continues going down further, we can expect a nice 80 pip move. But when you see price kind of struggling like this a little bit, like after a good push like this, just keep an eye out, right? Usually I'd kind of take some profits at that point. Doesn't mean it won't continue further, it just means that the bulls are fighting, right? So just something to keep in mind, guys. Right? This trade looks good. Welcome. We've got a couple more people joining us. Welcome to the channel, guys. Double top formation, GBP on. Sell. We are in shorts. So it looks like we're getting that strong momentum coming in for GBP odd. This is the momentum we want to see, guys. So this is what's going to help us push down further. Welcome, guys, welcome. We got a couple more people joining us, guys. As you guys can see, this trade is going in our favor. We took this live this morning, so yeah. All right, let's take a look at gold. Gold, yes, we're getting a strong push to the upside. Trades yet. I kind of see maybe price pulling back for gold and then a continuation to the upside. Looking for buys. Let's go. A couple more people joining us. Caroline, welcome, Caroline. Welcome to the family. Caroline has just joined and subscribed. Welcome. Happy to have you. Huge shout out to our new subscribers, people just joining the family. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe below as well and hit the notification bell. Let's go. Alright guys, so we got that break, pretty much is breaking this level here, which I was expecting price to kind of struggle before a continuation to the downside. Obviously price could still wick up, but seems like we should be clear and good to go for sells down to this level here. Beautiful trade for this morning that we just took with everyone here on the live stream. Session, I missed it. No worries. No worries. You can catch another one next time. There's always trades in the market. You can always catch moves. So don't stress. It's all good. So right now we're about around the 44 pips so far. We've gained about 44 pips on Gbpjpy odd. Nice. Gold's looking bullish short term. Welcome guys, we've got a couple more people joining us. Welcome. JPY, yeah, can expect a pullback for sure. Price is starting to pull back after a push and break of structure. We are expecting price to pull back now that we saw this push, break of structure, some sort of an exhaustion, pull back to this level, and then a continuation to the upside. This is Euro JPY. We are looking at the 4 hours, so this is just the overall direction of the market, kind of what to expect. USD JPY, same thing. USD JPY, I want to see break of this level here before a continuation of the pullback to potentially these lows over here. In the meantime, we just want to make sure that this price breaks this level of structure before a continuation to the downside. Welcome guys, we got a couple more people joining us. Welcome to the channel. Let's go, Monday morning. Got a couple more people joining the family. Welcome. Any questions, feel free to ask in the chat, guys. USD CAD. Melting at that key level we marked off. Nice. Our Gbpjpy trade is just melting, guys. We were able to take this trade. Nice. We got to close. Yes, we got to close on the 1 hour, and it's continuing to melt, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Let's go. All right. US 30 is something I'm keeping an eye out, guys, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Not only that, our Telegram, I'm going to be posting my analysis on Telegram, so link for my Telegram group is in my bio, so make sure you guys join. I'll see you guys inside. Euro USD. A couple more people joining us, guys. Welcome. Make sure you join the family. Super excited to have each and every one of you guys. And as you guys can see, our GBP odd trade we took this morning is melting in our absolute favor. Take a look at that. Live in the flesh, guys. I was able to teach you guys how I was able to take this trade, so super happy how it turned out. Perfect trade setup. We've got section is Euro odd looking like sell. Shooting star on 4 hour. Let's take a look, my friend. Euro odd. I don't think I have it here. Let's take a look. Yeah. I like this. Alright, let's take a look. Direction? What direction do we got here? We definitely have a sell bias market right now. looking for sells. We are at a key level of resistance. We got that nice heavy wick rejection. Yes. Does look like a shooting star, yes. Let's take a look at the daily for a sec. Okay. Okay. It's at a key level right now on the weekly. So we gotta play with it, because I mean it could come down to these levels here as well too. No, not here. I don't know why my computer does that. Sorry. Could come to these levels here. So let's go back down to the daily. It is touching a level of support around here. So not officially sells on the longer term, but on the short term, yes, we're looking for sells. It's looking like I want to see a little bit more wick rejections here on the 4 hour, but this is looking good. So let's say the next candle, so this candle right here on the 4 hour, I want to see it be a bearish candle, and I want to see it close bearish. If I see a strong like bearish candle like this, it doesn't have to be that long, but just like close bearish like this with a wick rejection or something like that, then we can look for sells for euro odd. But this is a good potential trade here. Just not yet. I wouldn't get into it yet. Yeah, expecting some sort of a pullback for gold after he pushed like that. Yeah, failing to break below, that's what I'm talking about. So potentially price for a continuation to the upside. We'll be coming on live tonight as well. Well, obviously, as you guys know, for those of you that are new, I'm here every single day, Monday to Friday, 6:30 a.m. But I do come in on the evening sometimes, so I will be coming live tonight, later in the evening, probably like around 9:30, 10 pre-London. So yeah, so we'll take a look at that. Gbp odd trade went in our absolute favor, like I told you guys. This area here was something I was looking for here on the left hand side, so as a potential kind of retracement, we did take our profits anyways, but as you guys could see, we were able to profit over 45 pips. So nice quick easy in and out trade that went in our favor. So US 30 just ranging. Oh, we got a push for Ethereum, eh? Slight push here. Yeah. Euro CAD. We got a push above structure. Seems like price is failing to break below. It's holding its support here, so we might expect a continuation to the upside, but it could also be some sort of a fake out on the bigger picture here. Yeah, we just gotta wait because price could come back down. Yeah, we needed to fully break through these this level over here for a continuation to the upside. So we'll keep an eye out on this one, guys, because price could pull back down because of the resistance here. Welcome, guys. We've got a couple more people joining us. Welcome to the channel, guys. Make sure you join the family. Super excited to have you guys here. Any other trade you guys want me to look at, let me know in the chat box below. If you guys are enjoying these live analysis, let me know in the chat box as well. Let me know, also comment where you're from. Let's go. Welcome, guys. We've got a couple more people joining. Make sure you join the family, guys. The family's growing each and every day. I'm here every single day, guys. Bitcoin as well. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Alright, guys. Let's see Bitcoin. Yeah, so Bitcoin right now is looking like still bearish. As long as price kind of holds this level of resistance, we can expect a continuation to the downside. Is that a key level there? We'll see. Looks like it wants to break up, but we'll see. Could be pulling back also, as I mentioned, pull back potentially, and then a continuation to the downside. Couple more people joining us. Welcome everyone. Just want to welcome people that are just joining us or new to the channel. Don't be shy to comment in the chat box below. I still think price has potential to come down further. I just knew that price was just going to consolidate a little bit around this area, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. We already kind of took our profits anyway, so. Good live trade sample. Yes. We've got Sasette joining us. Welcome everyone. Welcome Sasette to the channel. Oh yeah, Gbpjpy on. Yeah, I think she still has it in her. She's gonna go down. To our TP2. Beautiful live trade we took this morning. So I think it still has a little bit more juice to continue going down. You can see that wick right there. Do you see that wick rejection here on the 1 hour? Remember, the higher the time frame, the more significant it is. So it's a good thing. Staying a little bit longer for you guys today, so if you have any questions, it's going to be finishing up here in about 10 minutes or so. So if you guys have any further questions, please let me know in the comment chat below. Make sure to follow me on my socials. Also join our Telegram group, link in the bio. going to be wrapping up, guys. So beautiful trade, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty happy how this trade panned out. Yeah, 44 pips, potential 84 pips profit. TP2 gold, yes, we're starting to get that slight rejection. That's what we want from here. This high, potentially come back down, retest these lows here. And then we want to see price hold support, and then we can expect a continuation to the upside. Gbpjpy, GJ, still in the silly range. GJ. Alright guys, if you take a look at GBP/USD, we're getting the rejection I mentioned at this level of support, of resistance, sorry. So something to keep an eye out, guys. We will come back tonight and take a look at this trade and see how price reacts, and if we do see some nice rejection, we can start looking for sells for GBP/US. Similar to our GBP odd trade, we can expect sells. So this one here, we can expect a nice pullback, come to this level of support, which would become a resistance. We want to see some sort of nice rejection at this level, and then a continuation to the downside. I do want to see it reject though. USD CAD. It's a good sell potential. Yeah, Michael, that's normal. That's part of the training journey, right? You're gonna FOMO, and it's just part of it. But then that's why, if you guys notice on my live streams, like I don't take impulsive trades. It's very, very rare that I'm gonna do that. So it's like I try to, you know what I mean, take my time. It's like what I always preach: quality over quantity, right? So this USD CAD's looking like a good potential setup. GU, so you're on GU. $17,269. Yeah, I mean, yeah, like you can get in early. I'm working on it. Yeah, I'm with you. That's a good entry. Like it's high, right? So that's good. That's what I'm saying. Like sometimes you can take trades that maybe you don't wait for the confirmation, right? Let's say like here, for example, right? But at least like you're minimizing your risk, right, as much as possible. So like that. Let's say you kind of leave it like, okay, let's say price kind of comes back, right, and does a double top, comes back to this area. It won't hit your stop yet because your stop is like up here. So let's say it wicks, you get the rejection, and then it comes down, right? So as long as you're okay with waiting, I think we're good. Like regardless, you got a good entry, right? So yeah, as long as you get up here based off of your analysis and looking at where price could potentially go, then that's good because your entry is going to be high. So it's much less risk, right? So there's lots of ways to go about it, but yeah, FOMO is real. Especially when you're just starting out. But over time, you'll realize, you'll be like, yeah, like, you know what? There's so many trade opportunities. There's like no point of like freaking out that you're gonna miss out. There's no point because the market has so much to offer every day that, yeah, just grind it out and you'll see that it's worth waiting. Okay, nice. 200 EMA. Yep. Good. Awesome. So our Gbpjpy odd trade is just completely melting, guys. This is an awesome trade we took at the beginning of our live stream. So if you're looking to take your trading to the next level, make sure you join the family. Click the link in the bio and join our family and hit the notifications so you get notified every time I'm online. Got a couple more people joining us. I've got 10 minutes left, and then I'm gonna probably leave and call it a day. Beautiful trade we took today here live, as you guys can see. Let me know in the comments below if you guys were able to profit from this trade, or if you even got in. Let me know. Also, let me know if you have any questions left, guys, just before I leave. Senna, welcome Senna. We've got another subscriber joining the family. Welcome Senna, welcome to the family. Super excited to have you. Yeah, Gbpjpy odds melting. Next target, as mentioned, I'm looking for Gbpjpy odd to test these lows over here. Clean 80 pips, in and out. US 30 double bottom formation on the 1 hour. So we'll see. I want to see US 30 break above these highs for continuation to the upside. Michael Cook, that was a good setup. You called on GA. Thanks for your time on here. Enjoyed the stream. Hey, no problem, Michael. Super happy to have you, man, and thank you for being a part of the family, and happy I could help. Alright guys, so we're gonna call it a day, and I'm here for sure Monday to Friday every single day, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So for those people that are just joining us right now, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification so you get notified every time I'm on, and you'll get notified as well when I'm on the evenings. So sometimes I do go on the evenings, so that way you are notified when I come back online. So I do plan on coming back tonight, probably around like pre-London, so like 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we'll kind of look at these trades that we've kind of gone over today, and we'll look at the charts and see if there's any opportunities we can get into. And yeah, thank you so much guys for joining us, and I will catch you guys until next time.